Hi, I'm Rambod, and today we're diving into Unreal Engine's Day Sequence feature. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the Plugins section, which you can access from the Edit menu. Once you're there, type Day Sequence into the search bar. When you find it, enable the plugin. You'll see a warning message pop up. Just click Yes and restart the editor as prompted. After the editor restarts, the first thing you'll want to do is delete all the existing sky actors, such as the directional light, sky atmosphere, and any others related to the sky system. Once that's done, search for Day in the Place Actors panel, and you'll find the Sun, Moon, and Day Sequence actor. Drag and drop it into your scene. Now, as you can see, this actor provides a built-in day and night cycle. You'll notice clouds moving dynamically and a realistic sun and moon transition. You can adjust the time of day by using the settings in the Details panel. For example, set it to 10 a.m. or switch to 1 a.m. and you'll see the moon shining in the night sky. In the Details panel, there's also a Time of Day preview slider that lets you scrub through the timeline to preview different times of day. Additionally, you can enable the Live Preview option to watch the time progress in real time. You'll find other customizable settings like the day length and time per cycle, which allow you to control how long a full day lasts in your scene. All the related actors, such as the sun and moon, are now managed under the Day Sequence system, so you don't need to keep any external sky actors. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've set up a realistic day and night cycle in Unreal Engine 5.5 using the Day Sequence feature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Unreal Engine tutorials.